Hello and welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Join me today is Professor Watson, and together we'll be making the featured cocktail for the July 2015 Vinyl Me Please featured album, Super Ape by Lee Scratch Perry and the Upsetters. Bartender Sean Kenyon appropriately titled this drink the Super Ape, and it's another knockout drink by him. So let's begin. Well, first we gotta grab a mixing tin, and then we're gonna put a quarter of a banana in there, and then we muddle it, basically smash it.
Yeah. It is important to use a ripe banana, correct, Geek?
It is important to use a ripe banana. Next, we add 2 ounces of Appleton Estate 12 year, followed by 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Then add a quarter ounce of a smoky mezcal.
Mezcal, actually.
Oh, well, thank goodness you're here. Lastly, we add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Then we're gonna add some ice cubes and shake. Then we're gonna take a tiki mug, fill it with crushed ice. And if you don't have a tiki mug, you can always use a Collins glass.
But you should get a tiki mug.
Oh yeah, that's kind of a crime if you don't own one. Now we're gonna double strain the contents of our tin into our glass. So we're gonna do that by taking a strainer and then take a wire mesh strainer and hold it over the top. Now we're gonna float with a quarter ounce of Campari. And there you have the Super Ape.
Super Ape indeed.
Well, if you'll do the honors, taste that out.
Sure thing, Geek. Let me try this out. That is delicious. Wow. Really has some nice tropical smoky notes, and then the little Campari has a nice little punch at the end.
Oh yeah. The ripe banana really helps because then you really taste it and adds that sweetness. It's very well balanced, I'd say.
I would say so too.
And you get just the hint of that smokiness from that.
The mezcal. Yes.
Mezcal?
Yes.
Yeah, there we go.
I think Mr. Scratch Perry would be very pleased with this drink here.
I concur.
Yes.
Fantastic drink. You hit it out of the park again, Sean. Thank you so much for this amazing drink. Well, thank you very much, Professor, for coming in and helping me make this drink.
Thank you, Geek. It's delicious.
As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek.
And I'm Professor Watson.
And we'll catch you on the flip side.